start today. As per usual, let me just get my stream sorted out here. I think we're good, to be honest, but I just want to double check because I am neurotic. Uh huh. Uh huh. Get my microphone set up here. Little test of the logic. Okay, we're good to go. We're good to go. So, slow start to the day because fails. Failed print. Woke up to a failed print this morning. And I was going to start the day doing this. So, since that failed, I did restart the print. I only did one at a time. So I tried printing both at the same time. They failed. So, managed to get one done before starting the stream. I'm printing the other one now. I think we can do some testing with this. So, we have our echo. And it kind of works, but my hunch is that the resonance happening inside this tube, because this is a solid tube, it is reacting with only specific frequencies, like way more than others. So, the potential solution is to take the resonance out of the tube, and I've done that by making some big holes in it. I don't know if that's going to work. But we are going to try. I'm going to do it on the... Oh, you know what? I should... Doop. So, we got many holes. Gonna go through here. And we're going to try a few different things. One of the big things I want to try is actually screwing the... Or not screwing, attaching the contact mic directly to the spring as opposed to just on the end of the screw, which I think will be a lot better. But I really want to just see if this resonance is being fixed a little bit better. La 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 la. Okay. Hey. 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 I feel like it's louder, which is interesting. Hey. This is also way cooler because you can see right in there. Hey. Hey. So, let's try some of this. Okay. Contact mic is connected. Let's connect it right to the screw first. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Huh, huh. I feel like that works better. Okay, so I wish I had a better, like, more reliable way to test this stuff, but so we're gonna go like this. Change all my routing. So I'm gonna mute that. That's muted. I'm gonna unmute this. Pan everything to the left. Nice. I'm an imposter, but I don't know who I'm supposed to be. I'm honestly under the influence of all I see. And I poke my head into the doors. I make sure to keep one foot from entering. And I keep on starting over. Once I get cursory knowledge of anything, I'm an imposter. I should have. Interesting. Oh, could you guys hear? I don't think you guys could hear the. Starting over once I get cursory knowledge of anything. Interesting. It sounds kind of the same, like when all is said and done, in my opinion. Let's try it. So now I'm putting the spring, or I'm putting the contact mic on the second set of holes here. See if that makes any difference. And I poke my head into the doors. I make sure to keep one from entering. And I keep on starting over once I get cursory knowledge of anything. It's not really doing much, is it? And I poke my head into the doors. I make sure to keep one from entering. And I keep on starting over once I get cursory knowledge of anything. I feel like it's a little more stable. Like it's really not. I should have mastered 10,000 hours. Weird. And I poke my head into the doors. I make sure to keep one from entering. And I keep on starting over once I get cursory knowledge of anything. Interesting. Let's shrink this bad boy. Or let's loosen this. Hold on, I'm going to unplug this first, or I'll just turn the gain down. Let's go like relatively loose, just so we can get a full-on comparison here. So now this is like a wiggly boy. That is a real wiggly boy. Let's see what this sounds like. And I poke my head into the doors. I make sure to keep one from entering. And I keep on starting over once I get cursory knowledge of anything. It doesn't make a difference. Why?
Hey, 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 hey. Da, 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 da.
Hmm. What could be the issue here?
Hey, 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 hey.
I mean, it's like making a sound, right?
And I poke my head into the doors. I make sure to keep on from entering. And I keep on starting over once I get cursory knowledge of anything.
I just don't like the way it sounds. Simple as that. It's
And I keep on
and I keep on star, and I keep on star, and I keep, and I keep. Okay, let's just try some other stuff here. Pretty tired today. I don't know what. I don't know why I slept like a rock, but woke up real grogmeister. Realgrogs.com. Yeah, we're just gonna try some stuff. I don't know. We're just gonna try some stuff. I don't know. You know what I mean? We're just gonna try some stuff. I feel like I haven't really played around too much with. Is there a hole in the bottom of this one? Does not seem like it. Ooh, the bottom of this one. That one's got a hole. So this one's got like a spot to clip. This was the original reason. You know? But it could also double as something else. I don't know. What could it double as? I think I want to just try this cone again because this cone actually did sound different. There's actually a difference here. So and maybe we'll do the plastic. Maybe we'll do the plastic, or not the plastic, the PLA membrane. I want to have success with this. I want to be done this soon. Hmm. Just out of curiosity.
Poke my head into the doors. I make sure to keep on from entering. And I keep on starting over once I get cursory now.
I don't think that's picking anything up, but it's kind of an interesting thought. Okay, so we're just going to try this again, but with this cone instead. Gosh, I'm sleepy today. What is going on? I feel so drowse factor. And let's go with the original membrane. Maybe that might help reduce some of those really bad high freaks. I hate those high freaks. Hey, 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 hey. I mean, it sounds just as high, doesn't it? Hey. Ow. Hey.
And I poke my head into the doors. I make sure to keep on from entering. And I keep on starting over once I get cursory knowledge of anything.
It's worse. That's worse. Why is that worse?
And I poke my head into the doors. I make sure to keep on from entering. And I keep on starting over once I get cursory knowledge of anything.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. So the problem is it kind of just does, like, it's not really echoing. It's not really echoing like what the voice is doing. It's just kind of adding a frequency of echo, its own echo frequency that's not really matching what the vocals are doing, and that's the problem. And I wonder if that's just like an issue with spring reverb, because springs are going to have a natural fundamental frequency that they're going to vibrate at, and those are the ones that are going to excite it the most. I wonder if I needed to make a spring that was like really weird, like a really weird shape. Oh, that might be it. That might be the answer. Something just wacko. We could try that. That seems like a lot of like. That's so interesting. A lot. Like with instruments, it's like the more uniform they are, the better they are at getting that one single frequency. But a good instrument actually needs to do way more than one single frequency. A good instrument needs to sound good in a bunch of different frequencies so it can play a bunch of different notes. And so it's almost like obscuring those nodes where instruments would naturally sit is sort of the key to good instrument design, because you don't want it to only get excited at a specific frequency. You want it to be even across everything, so it's like obscuring it. It's like almost adding a diffuser to a light source, so it's not just like a spotlight. You want it to like disperse and coat the whole room. I love tea. I love tea. So what is the answer here? Should I try? Maybe I'll try printing a spring that's like really crazy. Okay, let's do that. Let's try a new spring. Let's hide this. Let's hide this. And we're going to create a sketch right there. And I'm also going to take my shell and I'm going to project the outer edge. Hide that so I know the width, the maximum width the spring can be, approximately. Basically, I can just start from right here. So I hope it's clear what I'm trying to do here, and if not, you'll see in a second. But basically, I'm trying to. My concern is that this spring is just like way too. It has a way too strong fundamental vibration, so I want to mess that shit up. And I think the key is going to be just like. Just like doing some crazy stuff. I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to start. Well, I think for one, okay, I'm gonna hide that. Let's just go like this, I guess. Nah, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Let's do something wacky. Let's do something really wacky. And we've done this before. We've done this before. I just love filigree. I think it's such a cool pattern. I think it's such a cool, natural looking pattern. And I think we can try and take advantage of the crazy features of it. Okay. Okay, sir. It's lagging. It's lagging hard. Lagging hard. Okay, we're back. And then basically, we're going to go ahead and do a rectangle. this from this center line. Do I not have a center line? I do. Let's just draw it again, just so we know. Everything's gonna lag, but it's okay. And then we're gonna go rectangle from there. Let's just do that, I guess. I don't know. Oh. Probably. This is kind of what I hate about using SVGs and like drawing on Fusion 360. For some reason, it's just like the most computer, like it uses up so much resources somehow. It's like so laggy. I don't get it. Anyways, so let's hide. Let's hide our spring, okay? Actually, we'll visualize it. Okay, so from here, we're going to start because I want to keep this part the same. So let's hide that. What does any of this mean? Actually, I'm just going to finish sketch. I know this is crazy. I'm just going to finish sketch. I'm going to do this. I'm going to move this bodies. I'm going to create a copy. Get it out of here. It's just so I could save it. And then I'm going to go ahead and hide this sketch and extrude this out of here. Let's get out of here. Right? Nice. Then we're going to turn our sketches on. Okay, and then I'm just going to start extruding. And go this way. We're going to go. Oh, hold on. I messed up. In order for this to work, I need to make the boundary of this on both sides. This will be really cool. This is a good experiment because this is kind of like testing something that is actually specifically like kind of a 3D print only sort of deal. I mean, I guess you could just laser cut this out of sheet metal, but for like a consumer, this is probably the easiest option to get something crazy. So we're just going to go like this. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Now we're talking. Let's take it all, right? We're taking it all. We want this to do some weird stuff. Is this crazy? Yes. Is this going to work? Don't know. We'll take some of this original spring material, but then we just bail on it. Sure, let's get that. Let's get that in there. Let's get rid of that. That one's a little crazy, isn't it? I almost need it, though. The idea with this is we're going to be creating a shape that has no fundamental frequency, ideally. The problem is it's kind of 2D, so there is a lot that could be sort of considered a fundamental frequency. I don't know. Okay, let's do that instead. Let's get rid of all that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Let's go. Once again, this is all thrilling content. Okay, you know what I mean? That looks pretty cool, right? So then let's bump this up -3. Hide the sketch. Whoa. Whoa. You know what I mean? That's like crazy. So, then we'll extrude that to here. Join it. Great. See, that was a lot easier than trying to design something like that. This is just a wacky shape. Let's print it. Who cares? Crazy spring. Try that out, and then I might want to try some other effects, but I'm also getting I might need to eat something. I haven't eaten anything yet, so I might go eat something after getting this started. This is going to be a really weak point, isn't it? Maybe I should add something there. Oh. This shouldn't lag my computer so much. My hunch is that this is also going to kind of curl a little bit with the stretch, which I think will be great. Okay, that's still a pretty weak spot, but I think it'll be okay. That might be some rattling, but we'll try it out. We'll try it out. We'll just try it out. Let's see what happens. Also, curious what this is going to look like when it prints. Crazy spring. Oh, I'm a sleepy boy. What is going on, folks? How long does this take to print? No, we're trying to. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat, and then. Sorry, this wasn't fun. I'm sleepy today, so I'm gonna try and get some food in me, get some energy going, and then we can come back to this and see what's going on. Alrighty.